Okay, may natakpan yung picture kanina. Yan. Ready to listen? Oh. 1, 2, 3. In the day of Mary and Joseph, there was a census. Mary and Joseph left. Tama, isa pa lang. Isang ikot lang. Okay. And traveled to Bethlehem. Mary and Joseph were expecting a baby. It wasn't easy, but God's timing is always right. Yan. Sometime after beginning their journey, they arrived in Bethlehem at just the right time. Mary gave birth to a precious baby boy and named Jesus. Everyone seemed to look right. As they looked from left to right, trying to find a stay, settling in a manger, Mary laid the baby right. Animals to his left and right. Shepherd were right over the flocks, and the animals were alone at the right time. An angel appeared to the news of the baby's birth. They learned that the baby, right, Savior who left heaven to come earth. The shepherd left to go see the baby. They found Mary and Joseph right where the angel said they would be, and saw baby Jesus right in front of them when they arrived. They were so excited in their journey. Everything at the manger was just right. They had left everything. Left everything na, ala pa. Yan. Behind to meet the Savior. But it was worth it. The shepherd left the manger, praising the God for the news they had heard and the baby they had met. There was nothing left to do but to spread the good news. Yan, kung anong hawak nyo, yan na yun na exchange gift nyo.